Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is to answer a question I get quite often, and people wonder what it is. Sometimes they look at it and say, well, I got a Windows update every day. Something's wrong. Or people just don't understand exactly what it is when you check Windows Update. So first of all, don't go crazy in checking Windows Update, all the time. It doesn't matter. In general, it checks it once a day by itself. But when you go to settings and you go to update and security, and of course you ask your PC to check for updates, you have, there's a new kernel of update that we're going to talk about. You have also something else coming along, and you will have those more than once a day, sometimes several times a day. And they are the antivirus or Windows security updates. They show up as intelligence security updates. And that is for the Windows security or Windows Defender update. And you will get several of those every day. It's simply the antivirus signatures getting updated. Unlike most other updates that we get from regular third-party antivirus that just, go through the software itself, Windows Security app actually downloads its own updates through the Windows Update app. That's why you see updates every day. And they, of course, will always be called updates, intelligence security updates and stuff like that. If you look here at other updates, I believe. No, this is that definition update, sorry. So this is what it looks like. Security intelligence update for Microsoft. If you look here, I had 3 on the 28th. I had 1. Some days you got 1. Some days you have 2, 3. So, this is normal that you have that every day. It is part of the Windows Security app. Not to worry, nothing's wrong. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.